Hi, my name is Dr. Peter Laniewski. It's my pleasure today to talk to you about facial surgery, and this involves a facelift and a neck lift. Now, often a facelift can be combined with other procedures, but today I'm focusing on a facelift. A modern facelift is a very satisfying procedure both for my patients and for myself. Patients present seeking a facelift after they've tried injectables for a period of time and have become tired of the constant need for top-ups. They typically present in their 40s or 50s and still have many years of healthy living to go, but are just a little bit concerned about the droopiness and sagginess of some of the skin on their face, despite taking good care of their skin, not smoking and eating and living well. So the aspects of a face which can be addressed are the brow, obviously. The mid-cheek is probably the area that benefits the most, and then going down onto the jowl and also the neck region. So in a full facelift, all those areas are addressed, and they're done by a technique called a SMAS elevation. The technique I use is a hybrid of a SMAS and a composite facelift that achieves the longest lasting and most natural appearance. The old Hollywood windswept appearances, those sort of facelifts are no longer performed. A modern facelift is much more complex and intricate and achieves natural results without giving away to everybody that the patient has had indeed a facelift. So the incision is well hidden in front of the ear and behind the ear onto the hairline. The hairline is not moved at all during a facelift, it stays where it is. It is only the excess skin which is redraped and removed. A modern facelift does not rely on your skin to achieve the results. The facelift addresses the deep tissue called the SMAS, and this is the tissue which sags and needs to be redraped and relocated to achieve the desired result of facelifting surgery. The downtime from a facelift is generally 2 to 4 weeks. After 2 weeks, you're usually able to return to your activities and resume most things you were able to do beforehand. Most of the bruising and swelling starts to go by that stage. A natural facelift is where your friends may recognise you've had something done. You may look fresher, you may look less tired, but they won't quite know what you've had done. That for me is my goal, is to achieve looks that everybody notices but nobody quite understands and knows what's happened. That's when I believe I've been successful in achieving my goal, in achieving results that you'll be happy with and that everyone will notice but not realise. Yeah. So recovery from a facelift generally takes 2 weeks for most of the initial swelling and bruising to settle down, and by that stage most of your stitches are removed from the back of the hairline. A garment is typically worn for about 6 weeks as much as possible, but you're able to resume most of your activities after a week or two. You don't need to hide from the world for a length of time.